Our chief guest of this program, Professor Vimla Dukwalji, Dean College of Home Science, SKRAU Bikaner, Dr. Mamta Parikh, convener of Khoj Shell, Mr. Surinder Jangu, organizer of this program, and his team, the other members of the Khoj Cell, the faculty members, and the students connected with this program online. So very good afternoon to all of you. And I am very thankful to Professor Vimla Dukwalji. He accepted our request at the very short notice and joined this program to encourage our team and guide our students. So, Madam, as all we know, presently we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic. At this scenario, we have seen a number of things in last 4 or 5 months which we do not experience previously. First of all, I want to know your attention about the migration of the laborers. We have seen in the last 4 or 5 months a number of persons, particularly or mainly from villages, they have migrated from the metropolitan cities, big cities, and they are now at their villages, at their home. So, due to this migration, both two types of problems are facing. The industries are closed where they were working, and second thing, where now they are presently staying, they do not have any mean to earn some money, or you can say any work to earn some money. So there is, you can say, both ways. It is the loss of economy, and this is a great loss for the country. Second thing, our honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi ji, has announced that we have to increase the income of the farmers. So these the things on which the universities, colleges, and particularly we teachers have to work and have to think how such problems of the migration of the laborers and to increase the income of the farmers is possible. Bikaner Technical University is working in this direction, and presently we have initiated a course of management which is named as Agri Management Business. So the main object is this: we have to produce such workers, or you can say managers, who are able to manage at the village level or at the farmers level. Lot of crop is there, and it can be converted in the money, but the management is not there. Farmers are not knowing that how the crop can be stored, and how it can be sold, or it can be, you can say, managed to sell at the proper time in the market or in the mandis or whatever is there. So they are not actually getting the actual value of, or actual money for their work or for their crop. So there is a gap. To fulfill this gap, our, or you can say our teachers or the universities or the colleges have to do work in this direction. So I hope that you please encourage our students and guide our students and the faculty members that how can we achieve the things which I just mentioned. So I say I am so thankful to you that you joined this program and also the team to organize this program. Thank you very much. Over to Mr. Suresh Jangu.
Thank you, sir.